What's up guys, Max Tech Toy Box here, and today we're doing a video review of the Wyze scale. So if you guys have been following along with my channel, you know that I did an unboxing for the scale a couple of weeks ago. I will throw that link in the description in case you guys want to see that. And so now I've been using this for a couple of weeks and I'm ready to give you guys my final thoughts. So first things first, let's talk about the most important spec of all, the price. This Wyze scale is coming in at a whopping $19.99. Now, kudos to Wyze. They're always developing products that are really higher end products that have a very low barrier to entry so that everybody can have access to their slower products. So I like that a lot. And for $19.99, you're getting a pretty smart scale, and you'll be hard pressed to find a dumb scale that does half the things that this scale does. So after price, what's most important? The look. This is a very nice looking scale. You'll see here in some B-roll footage that I have with my Garmin Connect scale, and they both look very similar. My Garmin Connect scale, for reference, cost me about 120 bucks. Okay, so nice glass finish. It's a little bit of a, I guess you could say, footprint magnet, but that's understandable. You can just wipe this down. Sits very comfortably in a corner, and it doesn't stand out too much, but it looks good. It looks like a high-end device. In terms of your weight, it was fairly accurate when I compared it to my Garmin Connect scale. You're talking about a difference of maybe 0.3 to 0.4 pounds. Nothing crazy, so fairly accurate and precise scale. And I also have another scale that I use from time to time, and it was fairly accurate with that one as well. So good job there. So once you actually open up the application, what sort of data are you getting? Well, you're getting body fat percentage, you're getting muscle mass, body water, lean body mass, bone mass, protein, visceral fat, your basal metabolic rate. So you're getting a lot of data, a lot of things that you actually get from a lot of high-end scales. So how does it work? Simple. Step on the device. Once you step on it, it gives you your body weight, and then it gives you the body fat percentage. After that, you just simply step off. If you want to transfer that data over to your phone, then you just need to pull out your phone, open up the application, click the scale. It will connect via Bluetooth without a problem. I didn't have any connectivity issues. It automatically connects once you hit the scale, and then all of that data is then transferred over. If you want to get your heart rate, you can stand on the device. The only way to measure your heart rate is if you're standing on the device at the same time and then you hit measure heart rate. It'll take a few seconds and then it will transfer that data over. Another pro for the device is that the fact that it connects with Apple Health. So big kudos for Wyze for giving this the ability to do that. With the Wyze band, that was one issue that I found. You couldn't connect it to other third-party applications for health and fitness tracking. I'm hoping that they push that update over to the Wyze band as well. And it will be very nice if they could also add this feature to something like Google Fit or Fitbit or some other third-party application besides just Apple. But since I have an iPhone and anybody else that has an iPhone, it is a nice feature to have. So overall, the Wyze scale is really a great device. I really do think that Wyze knocked this one out of the park with all of the different data that is available, the ability to connect it to a third-party application for fitness tracking metrics, the simple and usability of it, just being able to step on it, the price, the build quality. There's really not much to knock this for besides maybe the fact that it doesn't connect via Wi-Fi. But at 20 bucks, that's not bad. You'd be hard pressed to find a dumb scale that does half of what this does at this same price. You'd probably be looking at paying about 40 bucks. So Wyze did an excellent job of developing this. It really is a little weird to me, if I'm being 100% honest to you, with how good the Wyze scale is, and not how bad that the Wyze band is, but the implementation for the Wyze scale and the way it looks and everything is just pretty much perfect. In comparison to the Wyze band, it's not all the way there. So hopefully through some software updates, the Wyze band could be a little bit better. So this is Max Tech Toy Box signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video review. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this device in general. You can find this for $19.99 on Wyze's website. You might not be able to find it right now on the website because I do think it is sold out. It was sort of an early bird special to be able to purchase this. So until I see you guys again, peace.